Hey everyone. This one is going to be a very quick little balance around loss. So, Andrew, I'm so sorry for the loss of your dog. And, and as we know, this year has been a year of loss, a loss of so many things across the planet, including loved ones. So, okay. So I was having a think about what we would do with this, and part of it, firstly, hands on your heart, and I want you to think about what it is that you're feeling the loss of. Is it connection? Is it loved ones, your animals, your family, your friends, your freedom, whatever that is? I want you to fill your heart with the love that you had, or the love that you have for that which you have lost. So just hold that and fill up your heart. Fill up your heart energy, which has so many neurons. Allow it to beat in time with your breath. Hold that heart energy. Breathe in light and love into your heart. Breathe in light and love into that love that you feel within your heart for that connection you had. That connection you had with your loved one, that connection you had with your animal, your family, your freedom, your community. Feel that love. Feel that love. Now I want you to imagine a tiny little red piece going from your heart to your brain and back again. Just imagine that zipping energy going from your heart to your brain, heart to your brain. And every time you get to your brain, allow your brain to feel empathetic. Allow your brain to feel sympathy. Allow your brain to feel like it's at that point. Is it at the point of anger that you've lost someone? Is it at that point of guilt that you've lost someone? Is it that point? What are you feeling with your emotion at the moment? And just be aware of the emotion that's linked with the loss. Allow that emotion to come. It just is. It's not you, it's not me. The emotion just is. Emotions come and go. Your soul is safe. Your soul is connected. Your soul will always be connected to that which you have lost. So take a nice deep breath in and relax. A nice deep breath in and relax. And once again, feel the love that you have for that which you have lost. Feel it in your heart. Now I want you to think about how the loss feels. How big is it? How big is the loss? Close your eyes and imagine it. Is the loss the size of a grain of sand, the size of an egg, the size of a beach ball, the size of the room? Imagine the size of the loss that you're feeling in your heart because of all of that love that you had in your heart for that which you have lost. So just breathe in and imagine that loss, that energy of loss. Imagine that being filled with love and light and healing power. The healing power of breath, the healing power of connectedness, the healing power of love and light. Connect that heart energy, that love energy that connects you to that which you have lost, and allow that to fill the size of that wound, the size of that loss with love and light and energy and healing. Breathe in and out. Breathe in out. We know that as we go through life, loved ones come and go. It doesn't make the hurt any less. It is safe for us to love again, even though we have lost. I open up to the universe to fill me with love and light. I open up to the universe to help me to let go of this feeling of loss, this feeling of grief, this feeling of anger and frustration and fear that it will happen again. I let go with ease and I embrace change. I let go of fear, I let go of anger, I let go of guilt, I let go of resentment. They just hold us down, down, down. Fill your cells with love and light, 999, 999, 999. I feel the love. I feel the love. I feel the love to that which I have lost. I allow that love and light to fill that space of that loss. How big is that space now? Is it the same? Is it starting to shrink? Are you allowing that love energy to fill your loss with love and light? Just empower that energy. Empower that love and light energy to fill those feelings of loss. I move forward with letting go. I let go of past relationships. I let go of past traumas. I let go of past losses. I allow my energies to be clear from the energy of loss. I allow my energies to thrive with knowing I can move forward. It is safe to let go. It is safe to love. It is safe to remember with love and light in our hearts. Imagine the best things. So for a moment, think about that which you have lost. I want you to think about the best things about that which you have lost. Is it the companionship, the friendship, that heart connection, that love connection? What was it that made you love so much? The fact that you're feeling so much loss means that you can love again. It means it's still there. It's going to be okay. Where is your feeling of loss now? Is it starting to move? Is it the same color? Is it the same thickness? Imagine it shrinking. That amorphous energy of loss. Just imagine it getting smaller and smaller and smaller so that you can cocoon it in the palm of your hands. And once again, imagine that love and light and heart energy to come in and just encompass that feeling of loss. Can you feel that energy moving? It is safe for me to let go of all traumas from my past. It is safe for me to grieve. It's okay for me to be happy again. It's okay for me to look forward to the future. Okay. Hope that helped, Andrew. I hope you're all out there having a wonderful day. Take care. Love you. Bye.